Like in
Yeah.
Morocco, if I speak English and I walk down like the souk, right? If I'm walking down the market and I
Yeah.
speak English, everyone's going to think, "Ah, American tourist. I can make her pay a lot of money." But if I speak French, okay, French person in Morocco, you can pay a little less. So for me, when I go
Exactly.
somewhere, I think, don't speak English. Stop speaking English. Everyone's gonna think American tourist, like tons of money. So I'm like,
Yeah, tons of money. Yeah, yo.
yeah,
So if this in costs like $5, oh,
yes,
it's $50. Okay.
yeah,
Hey,
because
hey, I speak French. Oh, okay. Sorry,
exactly.
it's $5. Yeah,
But
yeah,
because they know, because like for dirham
yeah,
in Morocco,
yeah,
they know you don't understand the money if you're not from here. But if we speak French, we live here. We're like, no, 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 no. I know what 5 dirham is. You're not making me pay like. Hi,
Hey,
hi. My name is Alix. Nice to meet you,
nice to meet you, Alix. My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed. Yeah, how are you today?
Thank you for asking. I'm doing very good. How
You're
about you?
good. Yeah, good. Yeah, my week was good. Yeah, how was your week?
Actually, my week was like super busy. Actually,
Really?
yeah.
Why?
Um, I know I had to do a lot of stuff to my family, my whole family actually.
Really?
Yeah, like some groceries. We had some like relatives here in my home,
Oh,
so I had to
mm,
like to go for shopping like every day actually.
yeah,
Bring water, bring
yeah,
groceries, uh,
yeah.
washing their cars. I don't know. I had to be like a good like man to
Yeah.
hospitalize them, right?
Um, hospitality is the word, but to
Yeah,
host them well. Yeah, yeah,
host them well. Yeah,
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 yeah. Family is a lot of taking care of when they come visit. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
When they see like their cars so clean, they say,
yeah,
"Oh my goodness, thank you so
yeah.
much." I mean,
Very nice of you.
yeah.
What part of your family came to visit you?
Yeah, from another city. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
By the way, I'm from Iraq.
Oh, nice. Great. Cool. I'm in London. Not as, yeah.
I'm London. So you're originally from London?
No, I'm half American, half French, but I moved around when I was a child. So London is just for university.
Oh, yeah. So you have an accent, actually. Yeah,
Yes,
it's
I
mix.
know.
It's mixture between like French, maybe, and British.
No, it's just American. I just have a very American accent.
So how
Yeah.
how did you keep that American accent while you live there in London?
Just because so my mother is American, she speaks exactly like me. And so
Okay.
because I heard English mostly from my mom, it
Yeah.
means that the accent I heard the most was American. So that's why I kept it. And then after like 7 years old, you have your
Yeah.
accent. So I had my accent and then it didn't matter anywhere else. Yeah.
So you have lived like your whole life there in London?
No, so I was born in Paris, and then
Yeah.
I moved to Lebanon, and then Morocco, then Switzerland, and then London just for the last 3 years.
So you lived in Arabian countries before.
Yes, yeah, 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 for a while. When I was younger, yeah.
So you have learned like some Arabian habit, some
Oh,
Arabian like
I
uh,
think
words. Let's say words. Well, I will
I think
not speak about the whole
language.
language.
Yeah, I wouldn't
Yeah.
be able to speak Arabic. No, 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 no.
But
But
uh, at least like some words.
so when I was in Lebanon, obviously like everyone knows Habibi, but I didn't learn properly. And then when I was in Morocco, because they
Yeah.
didn't have French class and my dad is French, I
Yeah.
had to, instead of doing Arabic, I had to learn French. And so
Mm.
unfortunately I didn't get to learn Arabic, which now I'm really sad about because I could know Arabic right now, but I don't. So yeah, I didn't really get to learn Arabic, sadly. And in Morocco,
Uh-huh.
everyone speaks French, and in
Yeah, they
Lebanon,
speak
everyone
French.
speaks French or English. So yeah, I didn't hear it much. Yeah, or I
So
didn't
I
need.
bet I don't know. I bit like your French language. It's perfect.
Both my English and French are the same level of French and English. Yeah, yeah. I hope it's
Yeah.
perfect. I would like it to be perfect. Yeah,
So you are like, yeah. At least you can like have a conversation and
yeah,
survive with the like French country or
yeah. That's
in America.
yeah, yeah. Exactly. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. You
yeah.
know, I studied like French in my
Oh, really?
university. Yeah, as a second book. But
Oh, cool.
actually, yeah, my first book was like English. I
Yeah,
studied English, and
yeah.
I got the bachelor's degree in English language, and
Nice.
then diploma in French.
Oh,
But
wow.
unfortunately, it's like it was like 12 years ago. So
Mm.
I started to improve my English since 2 years, but I forgot all about French.
Oh, really? Did
Yeah.
you like, is it also because you had no one around you to speak French with, or no, like you didn't really like have any books that you were interested in reading in French as well?
Um, Actually, like I don't have like French people here to practice
Yeah,
with.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah,
Also, in we don't have like apps just like Cambly for learning
yeah,
French.
yeah.
If you get into like these apps for exchanging language, people they are interested in English and
Yeah,
interested with Spanish. I haven't seen people like want to improve their French,
that's true.
like just a little,
Yeah,
a
it
small
is.
number of them.
That's true. It is a small number. Yeah, not sure why, but yeah, maybe I don't know. French is a little hard. I don't know.
So,
People.
in your opinion, if I learn English, if I learn French,
Mhm.
uh, which country I can like speak in French
Oh,
language?
uh, well, France unfortunately had a lot of colonies, so you could go quite a few places. So like Morocco is good, very easy.
Yeah,
In the Caribbean, you have like Guadeloupe, um, which is gorgeous because it's the Caribbean, so it's warm and it's just beautiful.
yeah.
So there you can speak French the whole time. Uh, you can go to not Croatia, Corsica. It's like an island south of France. Also very nice, like very Mediterranean landscape.
Mm-hmm.
Where else can you go? Hmm. I mean, in Italy or Spain, French is so similar. You can kind of just cheat.
Just like English, like as a second language, they use it.
Uh, no, but like in Italy, if you start speaking half French, half Italian, they will understand because they're just
It's
similar. So you can,
yeah,
instead of speaking English when I'm in Europe, I speak French because
yeah.
it's easier to understand the languages. So I can say, oh, like a bottle of water in French will be like, oh, bottiglia. Okay, cool. That's easy. Like we understand. So
Uh-huh.
so you can use French to help you in like Italian or Spanish speaking countries.
You know when you like when you travel to like a country, like
Yeah,
they speak like another language, not your
yeah,
language.
yeah,
For example, French or maybe Turkish or
yeah,
maybe American.
yeah.
The bilingual or trilingual people, they as soon as they land to this country, they
Mm,
switch on that
yeah,
language. Like,
yeah.
okay, I will speak with this language.
Yes,
So
exactly.
I have to take that shape, that look,
Yeah,
right?
true. Yeah, yeah, yeah. For me, it's the change of language is important because, for example, like in
Yeah,
Morocco, if I speak English and I walk down like the souk, right? If I'm walking down the market and I
yeah.
speak English, everyone's going to think, "Ah, American tourist. I
Ah,
can make her pay a lot of money." But if I speak French, okay, French person in Morocco, you can pay a little less. So
Exactly.
I think don't speak English. Stop speaking English. Everyone's gonna think American tourist, like tons of money. So I'm like,
Yeah, tons of money. Yeah,
yeah,
so if this in cost like $5, oh,
yes,
it's $50. Okay.
yeah,
Hey,
because
hey, I speak French. Oh, okay, sorry,
exactly.
it's $5. Yeah,
But
yeah,
because they know, because like for dirham
yeah,
in
yeah.
Morocco, they know you don't understand the money if you're not from here. But we, if we speak French, we live here. We're like, no, 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 no. I know what 5 dirham is. You're not making me pay like so much more because it's yeah. American tourists will be like, oh, sure. Why not? That makes
Ye-
sense.
Yeah,
Yeah,
maybe because like the exchange rate,
yeah,
the
yeah,
exchange rate between like America and that country.
yeah,
Maybe the Americans will think that, oh, it's cheap, but
yeah.
actually it looks like cheaper more than they think.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, they're not used to the exchange rates. Yeah, but it's something you have to know well. Yeah, for sure.
I had a story about that when I was in Turkey like
Yeah,
a year ago.
yeah.
I was like I was walking in like in a street.
Mhm.
I'm not sure if you heard about it before. That street called like Sultan Ahmed. Okay,
Okay.
and it's an area. This area it's crowded by
Okay.
like Americans,
Yeah.
Russian, like
Tourist spot.
all tourist
Yeah.
area. Okay, and I heard like one of Americans, he was like bargaining with something. Okay, and he told like the seller, uh, this is too expensive.
Yeah.
I just walked by
Mhm.
someone who sells just like your product
Yeah.
with like a little amount of money. You are
Mhm.
expensive. He said,
Yeah.
oh, okay, okay. You can have it with like $5. Yeah,
Yeah.
deal.
$5 is like so much more.
You have look. Even you are American or French, you have to bargain.
Yeah.
In
Oh, you
these
have to.
countries.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, you have to because that's the other thing. Americans aren't used to bargaining. You go to the shop, you buy what you have, and you're done.
E-
But in a lot of
Exactly.
Arabic speaking countries, a lot of other things, you have to bargain. It's like normal to be like, no, this is worth this much. And then he goes, no, 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 this much. And you go, no, no, no. And that's normal. You have to. If not, they do whatever they want.
Yeah, yeah. I have a friend of mine. I asked him like a couple days ago.
Yeah.
Hey, in America, do you have like to bargain?
Yeah.
He said no. It's normal prices. I,
Yeah.
I I get what I want and
Yeah.
I pay for these
Yeah.
products without like bargaining. I,
Yeah.
I told him, oh wow, how is good that life.
It must be weird. It must be different. Yeah. Are you good at bargaining?
Actually, a little like
Yeah.
okay, this can I have it with like less than $2,
Yeah.
$3? Sometimes it works.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's not
Sure.
work. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's okay. Take it.
Yeah.
If I
Ah.
like, if I really want this product, okay, I will pay.
Yeah. 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 Exactly. It's like sometimes they know. They're like, you want this so badly. It doesn't even matter. You're going to pay full price. Like it doesn't. You won't bargain hard.
Yeah, let's say I work with technology.
Mm.
I have a computer shop. I
Mm.
sell computers and laptops and the accessories of mobiles and
Yeah.
laptops. So I have all these accessories. So when I put like the prices
Mm.
on the products,
Mm.
okay, I increase the amount like $1,
Yeah.
$2.
Yeah.
Okay, for
Yeah.
example, it costs $5.
Mm.
I write down like $6. Okay,
Yeah.
when my when my clients or my customers come to me and say, hey, I need this, but I need with the little cheap.
Yeah.
Okay, I would say, okay, it costs $6, but it's
Yeah.
okay, $5 for you.
Yes,
Okay,
exactly,
they feel
exactly.
happy.
Yes, they do that a lot. They do
They
that a
feel
lot.
happy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because then people think, oh, he's so nice. He gives me a deal. Like, oh, it's so easy to bargain. But they do
especially
that all the time. If they
i-
go, okay, this actually costs like 20, right? But then it's for 50, then they think, oh, I bargained so well, I got it for 40. And it's like, no, it's for 20. Like, you have
I
no
said,
idea.
hey, I saved money.
Yeah, you're like, yes, I did it. And they're like, I made money anyways. I'm fine. So
Yeah.
strange.